Hey everyone, welcome to BricksFly. And in this video, I'll show you how to download, activate, and install the BricksFly free and pro versions. So let's get started. First of all, from the BricksFly website, you can click on the My Account, and then you need to keep your email address and password to log in. And after that, click on the download. You can see the free versions of the BricksFly and the pro versions of the BricksFly. You can download both of them and then go back to WordPress dashboard and make sure that you have installed and activated the Bricks, and then go to plugins and then click on add new, upload plugin, choose plugin, the BricksFly. This is the free versions of the plugins. Click on activate. And now we need to install the pro versions of the BricksFly. Install now, activate the plugins. Now you can see that BricksFly free and pro version is activated. From here you can see all of the elements. From here you can see all of the extensions. If you want to enable the scroll smoother, you can just enable this, and you can set the scroll smoother for the different versions, but this is not the tutorial for this one. Now click on active license. Now connect to BricksFly. It's connecting with my account. Approve and connect. That's it. You can see that your BricksFly license is activated. You can see here is manage the license. So now if you want to deactivate, you can do that. So yeah, this is how you can download, install, and activate the license. See you in the next video.